Can y'all believe that we have now made it into 8 months into this microloc journey? Like, where did the time go?
Everything they say, I understand. So I can speak the language.
Molly's whining in the background because she probably wants to go play or something, but... Okay, clearly she wants to go play. You want a treat? I'll be back because I gotta go get her a treat because she's not gonna calm down until then, and then I'm gonna try again. All right, y'all, I'm back. Now that we're into like that 8-month range, I wanted to kind of show some things that I've noticed. I have some budding at the ends of some of my locks, and I want to try to find at least one. See, here's a good one. Okay. Did it focus? I think. Okay, so if you see the bottom right here, I have these balls on the bottoms of a lot of my locks, and they're like pretty solid, and they're clearly like balls. I have these on multiple locks. So here's another one towards the front. Just me going throughout my hair, I find a lot of these balls now. Do I think I need to do anything about that? No, it's not bothering anything. I think that's part of the locking process. And I've seen a lot of people, they want to cut the balls or the budding off, but I'm not trying to stop the process if it's doing what it needs to do. So I'm just gonna leave it alone and let it go from there. I will say that I'm experiencing more of that towards the back of my head because as y'all can see, well, let's just look at my head real quick while I'm here. Okay, so this is what the back of my head looks like. This is what the front looks like. And the side. All right, so as y'all know, the front is quite looser than the back. It always has been. I'm not experiencing those balls towards the front yet. My curls are getting a little bit more defined. Now, before, my curl pattern in the front really wasn't showing as much, but now it is. But in those areas of my hair where it's a lot more coiled, those are where I'm seeing those balls and those buds occurring at. So if I have to guess, I don't think I'm going to be seeing that towards the front for some time because this pattern in the front is so loose. But I'm letting it do what it do. All right, so I want to talk about Loc Care. And while I talk about Loc Care, I'm going to actually be moisturizing my hair because I haven't did it yet today. And life still got to go on. As far as my Loc Care, I am still moisturizing with aloe vera juice that I'm making from scratch. Like I said before, I'm just getting an aloe vera plant. That's what I have in this. Though this bottle, some of y'all might have this exact brand of, this is rose water and glycerin. Y'all might have this brand, but I am not using this brand in this bottle. I'm just recycling because I'm cheap. So in this bottle is my homemade aloe vera juice, and it's just literally extracted water from the aloe vera plant that I make from scratch. I'm just putting the aloe vera on my hair every couple of days or every time that I feel like my hair needs that moisture. I've been doing this, like making it from scratch, for about a month or two, and I am seeing a lot of changes. Just changing the fact that I'm using fresh aloe vera. This was just a personal preference. I just wanted to try to go with more natural products as I continue on my loc journey. I'm also not using any store-bought product for my reties. Currently just using the flaxseed gel, and I have not retied my hair since the last update that I did. So right now I am currently over a month of no retie. So this is what it's looking like. You know, I got some space here. I can stick my finger in that one, almost like the holes. Overall, do I think my hair looks bad? No, I think it looks pretty good still. I'm gonna try to stretch my retie for another month because I don't want to retie my hair. I don't like retying it, y'all know. So I'm gonna try to stretch it until March time frame. I have some plans around the March time frame to you know, have fun for my birthday, and I want to wait until then to do my hair. If I can get away with it, if I can't and I need to do it earlier, I will do it earlier. Like I said, I'm trying to listen to my hair more this year. My schedules and stuff like that, they're just kind of to keep me on track, just so I know like, hey, around this time I usually do this, or I usually do that. But if I don't want to do it or I don't need to do it around that time, then I won't. So far I'm feeling a lot more free about retying less and having to do less with my hair as far as maintenance, which was the whole reason why I started this journey anyway. I don't like to do a lot with my hair. I've been kind of pushing these reties to 2 months. I'm happy about it. I don't feel overwhelmed and stressed with it, and I don't really feel pressure to have like a really manicured type of look with my locks. It looks good enough. I also am experiencing a lot more frizz right now. I don't know if it has something to do with the fact that my hair is probably going through like a really different type of process right now, because like with the budding and everything, but I'm getting a lot more frizz. I actually cleaned up the front of my head, like this perimeter area, before I got on camera. I didn't retie all of them. I retied some because when I get in the shower sometimes they are like really loose after, because I haven't been braiding and banding. But anyway, I've cleaned up my perimeter and left the rest of the hair to be thick and full and fluffy as it naturally is. I haven't been taming the frizz anywhere else, but like the way that my hair is standing up, it's standing up so high and stuff because there's a lot of frizz going on and there's a lot of volume. I really like all of it, to be honest, but I'm just acknowledging the fact that this current stage in this 8-month period, I am getting quite a lot of frizz, especially right out the shower. Like frizz is like uncontrollable and crazy fresh out the shower. I wanted to kind of go over what I'm noticing now in society with me having microlocs. I've noticed some differences on how people treat me with my microlocs than when I had like my loose natural hair, and especially if I had like a straight type of texture to my hair, whether it was my hair or it was a weave or whatever the case may have been. I feel like navigating in society with my locks right now is totally different. I get a lot of love, lots and lots of love from people about my hair. They really like it. I don't know if it's just me. Y'all tell me down below, do people ask, is your hair, or do they ask what type of extension is it or whatever when you have your locks? Because I'm getting that a lot. Like almost every day somebody is like, what type of extension are you wearing, please? Or why are you wearing extensions? Or some people are kind of rude about it. They're like telling me I am wearing extensions, or like today somebody tried to shame me for wearing extensions when I wasn't even wearing extensions. This is my real hair. So I wanted to know, is that something that y'all encounter, having locks? I just think maybe some people are, I think some people are just in awe of the beauty, and they just kind of want to know like, oh, is there something you can buy to achieve this look? And unfortunately there is not, because the way that everybody's locks looks depends on many different factors, like their genetics, hair density, how they even take care of their hair. Do they even take care of their hair? There's a lot of factors that go into it. Now, if you were just saying like, yeah, I want smaller locks, like, yeah, I think anybody can get smaller locks, but I think a lot of times talking to people, they want the exact look that you have, and they are looking for the product or the thing to give them that look. That is, to me, what makes locks unique. You really don't know what you're gonna get. You may think you want somebody else's look, but then get your own look and fall more in love with the way that your hair looks than theirs. So, but I would like to know, do you guys experience that? Comment down below. I don't know if a lot of the hate that I get about having my locks is because people have this thing about Black people embracing the Blackness or embracing themselves, but it kind of comes off that way when you're shamed for having locks or having natural hair that's actually growing from your scalp. Because if I just personally feel like if I were doing something like having straight hair or wearing a wig or a weave. And nothing against people who do that, again. But I just feel like if I did certain things that fit certain molds better, that people said, oh, that's more attractive in their opinion, I wouldn't get the comments I get now. When you have a unique look, you get different types of responses from people that I just feel I wasn't getting before. What is your experience with having your locks? Is it mostly positive or negative reactions from people? Now, I also want to say, how people react to my hair and react to my look is not changing the fact that I'm keeping this look because I want it. It's not about what other people think about me. If I like the way it looks, it is what it is, and I'm going to keep rocking it. I don't really, and that's the unapologetically being me that I really like. And I don't know, I think that bothers some people. I don't know, like when you're just like, yeah, my hair is frizzy, my hair is big, my hair is locked, all of the things that it is, yeah, it's me. So, and it's like you being like, so what? I don't know if that bothers people. But anyway, I done went off on a whole rant. So far, my lock journey, 8 months in, has been great. I am so happy that my hair does not need to be messed with a lot. I literally am waking up in the morning and going, shaking my hair and going, or spraying my hair real quick, and I'm out the door. Like, it's really not complicated for me to have my hair the way it is, and that's why I'm loving my microloc journey so much. And I do get asked a lot, what's your nighttime routine? I want to show y'all what my nighttime routine is. This is my bonnet, y'all. I need to share with y'all these bonnets. I take my hair, I tuck it, I just tuck my hair in the bonnet, go to sleep. Like, this is my nighttime routine, y'all. I don't spray anything at night. I don't do anything extra. I literally throw the bonnet on and hit the bed. This is it. This is the morning routine with the spray that y'all just see me doing. Spray, 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 shake, ooh, 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 ooh. That's the routine. It's really simple. I personally don't do the braiding and banding at night. It's just too much tension on my head and on my scalp. I already have scalp issues and alopecia and experienced hair loss, so I don't do the braiding and banding at night. It's just not for me, but I'm not shaming anyone who does that. They are doing what works for them. To me, it's just, it would be too much tension on certain areas of my head, and I just can't go for it, y'all. I can't go for it. But yeah, that is my nighttime routine. That is my daytime routine. And I am just loving how simple everything is. Like, just getting in the shower and washing my hair. This is the type of hair freedom that I wanted when I was a loose natural. Like, this is the first time in my life where I could wash my hair, get out the shower, and I could just be okay just letting it air dry. And it's not gonna look, it's gonna look done. Like, my hair looks done out the shower. Does it look frizzy? Yes, but it looks done and it looks cute. So this is the type of hair freedom that I've always wanted. Like, I'm not using products out the shower. Shoot, I'm barely using products in the shower. I'm just using a clarifying shampoo. So I'm using a clarifying shampoo and that's it. I'm not using conditioners or anything like that because for one, my hair isn't locked, so that wouldn't be a good thing for me to do. So I'm just using a clarifying shampoo, hopping out and using some spray every now and then, and using flaxseed gel whenever I do my reties. And I just told y'all I ain't really did a retie in a while. So it's not a lot going on. This is saving me so much money. The fact that the bag is growing because I'm not spending money on products. It's like the product that I actually use to maintain my looks and my hair, I'm making it. Who's gonna mess up the recipe when I'm making the ingredients for the recipe? You know, I'm not messing up the recipe. I know the recipe, I made it. So it's like, I love this so much, and I just cannot speak more great things about the journey. If y'all have any microloc content that you'd like to see from me, go ahead and comment down below. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you got something out of this video. And if you would like to keep watching my loc journey, I have a loc playlist going to be listed after this video. Thank you all so much, and until next time, bye bye.